Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia and in Metro Atlanta. And today I'm going to continue my series on the bank feeds and tools that will help you improve your efficiency when working within the banking center. Now, as you can see, since we last were on here, I went ahead and cleared out everything in the Fidelity Rewards Visa. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the checking. And that will segue into our next area that will help you, and that is this area right here where we can go ahead and filter out by various categories. So as you can see, we can filter out by recognized, matched, transferred, rules applied, missing payee or customer, or unassigned. So at this point you can see that I have some transactions where it's saying that there have been some matches found, and we can isolate those transactions by clicking over here on match, and that will isolate all those transactions so that we can work on those in one fell swoop. Now, in order for this to work, you have to make sure that you have invoices entered that you can match up to the feeds coming in the bank. And as you can see, we do have invoices entered in that are matching up the way that they should. And the way that you can figure that out is by clicking on here, and you can see the invoice, and you can click through on the invoice and make sure that it's the right ones. And let's assume that we did that with each of these. So what we're going to do now is we're going to accept all those. But before we even do that, I wanted to let you know that when we were actually working through the transactions in the rewards Visa, there was a credit card payment that posted to the credit card account that came from this checking account. And as you can see, it's showing up as a match on this end because when we entered it as a credit card payment. So what I'm going to do now is, since all these are matching the way that they should, I'm going to go ahead and select all of these, and I can go ahead and accept these. And so what will happen is that all those will go through unless there's an issue, and then there's an issue with one of these, so we're not going to worry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out this match by clicking on this X here, and that will go ahead and reset the filter for everything else. So if we go to the categorized for this area, you can actually see that those transactions did go in here. And so anyway, that's basically all I had today. And again, you have to be very careful when you're working with those things. You have to make sure when you do have matches that those are legitimate matches before you accept those into the register. And if you see some kind of error, then you'll have to go back and deal with that at some other time. But anyway, hope you have a wonderful day, and y'all take care. See you soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.